So you might be able to take the boy out of the Northwest, but you can't take the Northwest out of the boy. There was my chaise lounge. Ouch! Took the brunt of it. Alright, made some good progress on the main branch there. Got it all chopped up. I'm gonna start working on these little guys. And there was my chaise lounge. Ouch! Took the brunt of it. That's okay. Better that than the house. But as you can see, like I said before, could be some damage on that gutter right there, but I'm sure hoping I didn't get it in any other damage on the roof, but that'll be the last thing I'll take a look at because I got to get this ground secured before I can get a ladder up there. All right, so we got that top piece off there, and as you can see clearly there is a dent in the gutter, but that's about it. I don't think that there is anything else that is wrong. There might be a little bit of a lift up on some of the shingles there, but I can't really tell right now. I'll have to get up there and see it later on when I get that roof and all the gutters cleaned out. But so far, so I was talking to my neighbor, and his name's Jeff, and that skylight right there, he actually had a branch arch right over that thing so it didn't impale it, but and I don't think we can see it from here, but just to the right of it, you might be able to see a little indentation. It impaled his roof with that branch. So yes, the skylight was saved, but roof has got damage in it now. So he's gonna have to get that repaired too. He's up there cleaning that stuff off now. Okay kids, this is what happens when you put wet wood and a bunch of greenery on a fire. Lots of smoke, not a lot of heat. Only you can prevent forest fires. I feel like I'm on the cast of that 70s show. Just call me the bandit. God, just call me the bandit. I feel like I'm in a Cheech and Chong movie. Let's chop some more wood. Remember kids, with correct supervision, go ahead and try this at home. You ready, buddy? Yeah. Go for it. I feel like I'm in a Cheech and Chong movie.